We've been using BigHand for as long as I've been at the firm, which is 13 years, and previous to that, so for quite some time now. We have just finished our rollout and our upgrade to the BigHand Hub, and we're also using BigHand now, and shortly to launch Capacity Manager, which will then hopefully lead us into Task Manager. And then next on the list already is to look at speech recognition and SmartNote. I think primarily it's ease of use. People are very familiar in the business with BigHand, and the functionality is very similar from product to product. We had to do very little training as such when we upgraded to Hub and rolled out now. It's very intuitive and similar functions from one product to another. And I think for us, it's the visibility, it's the dealings with BigHand themselves, and it was just a very easy decision for us to make, really. It was a business decision for us rather than an IT project, and primarily driven by the fact that we acknowledged we have very little of our own data, and therefore we didn't really know what was going on in our business. If it wasn't being dictated, we had no way of identifying what people were doing, whether we needed additional resource in other parts of the business, and so for us it was about getting some of that information and looking at whether we needed bigger print rooms or cover for longer parts of the day, and actually what we've identified is that we've got lawyers doing a lot more admin than they should be. We've got PAs who are spending a significant amount of their day undertaking admin, and who are losing job satisfaction and skills, and motivation in their roles, really. It's visibility which equals accessibility, really. So our lawyers know that everything is visible in one place. They can see the status of a piece of work, they can see who's undertaking that piece of work. Our strategy is to be market leading, and that is to innovate and optimise and excel and value, and the product absolutely allows us to do that. We can look at what our PAs are doing, give them more value-added elements of work to do, and actually route some of the more process-driven tasks to the right places and the right people at the right time. The relationship with BigHand is absolutely fantastic, and I can't, shameless plug here, I can't thank them enough for the support that they've given us, the patience that they've shown. You don't just get delivered an off-the-shelf, out-of-the-box product. It's about really understanding our business and how it works and the challenges that we face, and working with us to build something that actually answers some of those questions and those challenges. And also I think they've even been able to identify things that we perhaps hadn't already worked out for ourselves. So it's been absolutely fantastic.